Pagod ka na ba sa ganitong setup? Gigising ka ng maaga, babiyahe sa traffic, uuwi kang pagod na pagod, tapos wala ka pang maayos na space para magpahinga. Pero what if? What if hindi ka naman talaga kulang sa sipag? Baka siguro nasa maling lugar ka lang. Isa sa pinakamalaking pain points ng homeowners ay location. Yung bahay mo maganda nga pero sobrang layo naman sa lahat. Pero dito sa Lanelo Heights, all necessities are within reach. Pagdating naman sa accessibility, connected ang Lanelo Heights sa mga major highways tulad ng Governor's Drive, Arnaldo Highway at Aguinaldo Highway, kaya mas madali ang biyahe papunta sa work, school at iba pang importanteng destinations. When it comes sa education ng ating mga kids, there are nearby schools such as Cavite State University and Lyceum of the Philippines University, Cavite, giving your family easier access to quality education. And for your daily needs, we also have nearby malls such as Robinson's General Trias and SM City Dasmariñas, where you can conveniently shop, dine, and enjoy bonding moments with your loved ones. For your peace of mind, accessible rin ang nearby hospitals such as General Trias Doctors Medical Center and Divine Grace Medical Center, making healthcare support within reach whenever needed. So meaning, mas less stress sa biyahe at mas marami kang oras para sa sarili mo at sa pamilya mo. Ang Lanelo Heights, hindi lang basta subdivision. Ito ay community na nagbibigay sa iyo ng security, privacy at peace of mind. Kung nagsisimula ka pa lang, ito yung model na swak sa lifestyle mo. Introducing the Chelsea Model House. With a floor area of 49 SQM at minimum lot area na 66 SQM. Pero ang importante, hindi lang sukat ang binabayaran mo kundi functionality. Meron tayong master bedroom para sa privacy ninyong mag-asawa. Meron din tayong kids room. Dito makakatulog, makakapaglaro at makakapag-aral ang inyong mga anak. We also have 2 toilet and baths, isa sa baba at isa sa second floor para hindi mag-agawan ng CR tuwing umaga. And also, meron din tayong balcony para meron kang space to relax. So in Chelsea Model House, you get 2 bedrooms, 2 toilet and baths, balcony, front lawn, carport, and service area. Perfect na perfect for starting families. Pero kung gusto mo ng mas spacious at mas ready for long-term living, then the Brenda Model House might be for you. With a floor area of 60 SQM at minimum lot area na 77 SQM. Mas maluwag, mas flexible, mas future ready, merong master bedroom para sa inyong mag-asawa upang makapag-bonding kayo and have your privacy. We have also a kids room, or you can use this as your office for work from home. May 2 toilet and baths din tayo in the ground floor and in the second floor para hindi magagawan ang family sa CR tuwing umaga. We also have a carport. Dito mas sure na secured ang inyong mga kotse. So ano pa bang kulang? Siyempre, ang healthy lifestyle spaces. Dito sa Lanelo Heights, may sariling court ang community. Ito yung lugar na makakapag-bonding kayo with your friends and your neighbors. And siyempre, meron ding playground for your own kids. Sa Lanelo Heights, hindi ka lang bibili ng bahay. Bumibili ka ng mas maayos na lifestyle, mas tahimik na environment, at mas meaningful na buhay. So ang tanong, handa ka na bang palitan yung environment na nagpapapagod sa'yo? Again, this is Sulit House Review, your guide to smart home choices.